my HomeChef box. I'm really excited to see what I got this week. It's almost time for Thatcher to come home, but he's going to be hungry. So we need to start cooking, and I'm just really excited to see what I got this week. So let's get opening. One side, very hard. And then the other side, which is hard, and we don't want to see our recipes. Here, don't look at them, and put them right there. Ooh, creased. Okay, we got one board. Okay. Cheese. Bacon. I love bacon. We love bacon and cheese. It says, this one's, actually never mind, we'll wait till the thing. We got tortillas. I don't know. And then time for our meat, which looks like we only have one. Like one package. Uh-oh. Oh, what is it? Ooh, ground beef.
Okay, there should be something else in there.
Oh, yep, there is. The worst thing ever. The worst thing ever. Shrimp. I'm about to get these gone. Whoa, I got like 4 this week. What the? I got a lot of recipes this week.
Yeah, let's see.
This week is different.
I think they might have accidentally put something in here.
Ooh, yes. Oh,
yeah, they accidentally gave 2 of that one. Oh, now I know why you only have 2 proteins. Alright, so
we're gonna move this out of the way and we're gonna go look at what we're gonna do. What we got this week.
Who is that, vinegar? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, make sure that's on there tight.
The bag smells like vinegar.
I know, it's spilled everywhere. I thought that was water from the rain. It's not. Oh yeah.
So we just made the umami avocado and tofu sushi rice bowl. I know I said I was going to do this in a bowl, but I did it on a plate. But that's fine. We'll be okay. This dish is a really good portion size. It's very colorful. It's an intermediate. The spice is a medium, and it took about an hour to make. I'm really excited because I love tofu. I like rice. And I like avocados. All things I like. I like cucumbers and everything too, but those are my favorites. So we're going to move this paper out this side and get trying my umami. I can't say it anymore. Umami avocado and tofu sushi rice bowl.
Think like you're telling him, Thatcher. Ooh, mommy, he's doing this.
Okay.
Ooh, mommy.
Okay. Umami.
Not really a fan? It's not like a regular tofu?
Mm-mm.
So what is it you don't like? The tofu you like or you don't?
It's okay. I don't think the cucumber and carrots go good with it.
Because they're pickled. They had you pickle them when you put them in the rice vinegar. And so didn't you put the rice vinegar in your cucumbers and carrots? They had them, you pickle them. That's like a quick pickling. I was actually surprised they had you put that in the pickles and stuff instead of in the rice. Because your rice is not sushi rice at all. It's not flavored. You didn't add anything to your rice, did you?
No.
So technically that's not sushi rice. It's just white rice.
Yeah, but the only thing I added was salt and pepper.
Well, that's not really seasoning it.
Yeah.
That's basic necessities.
Well, by saying that, it needs more seasoning. I don't think the carrots and the cucumber belong. They're beautiful.
I don't find it terrible. The thing that I dislike about it the most is that we've got sticky long grain white rice with no seasoning.
Mm-hmm.
I think we could have put the vinegar and the seasoning from the carrots in with the rice and disperse the flavor a lot better and let those pickles and carrots be fresh.
And you mean cucumbers?
You know what I say? Pickles. I keep saying pickles, don't I? Yeah. The cucumbers and the carrots would be just plain and fresh. It needs a lot of seasoning though. Mm-hmm. The tofu's not bad.
It actually wasn't really spicy, actually.
Not spicy at all. I don't. Did you put spice in it?
Yeah. I put the hot. Wait, no, we didn't.
You didn't put the hot sauce in it?
No.
Well, that might be part of it. All right, so let's hold on a second. She didn't put some of her seasoning. I don't even see it on here.
It's right here.
Oh, okay.
I forgot it in the fridge, everybody. I forgot it.
I don't think that's gonna save it, but I think that'll definitely help. Well, I guess this is kind of like their spicy mayo.
Yep. I mix. It's just the mayo and hot sauce. That's why it's all pink. Excuse me. Ooh, I'm gonna try not to get too much in it, but.
Oh, it's not much anyway. All right, try it and see. Ooh, that does have a little kick to it though. So yeah, get it with the rice, and that will help.
Wait, how did you know it got a little kick to it?
Because I licked my finger.
Let's do some avocado in there. I'm making my mama's counter pink.
Yeah, and you're getting more and more hot sauce on it than you think you are.
Oh no.
Alright. I'll get you a piece of tofu on there. Oh my goodness.
We're dropping everything. We'll just do that piece.
Now try it.
It's spicy.
Did that make it better?
I guess. I got my glass of milk.
It helped a little bit. The hot sauce gives it that tang. 3.5 out of 5. It's definitely nothing like that gross shrimp that we did last week. That one I was frustrated with. At first it tasted like it wasn't too bad and that it would be okay, just not our favorite. And then it went in the trash. Like we tried, none of us would even stomach it more than 2 or 3 bites. So that was a waste. And I know.
Wasn't it like the Kong rice?
Yeah,
something
the
about Kong.
No, the Kung Pao shrimp or something.
Shrimp. So we don't think that's a keeper.
I will never get that one again. So, which makes me sad because Thatcher and I love shrimp and we'll almost eat it any way it comes. But none of us would touch that.
Even raw? No, I'm just kidding.
I've never eaten shrimp raw, but I've done shrimp ceviche. It's not technically raw. Did I get it on me?
No.
But anyway, so 3.5 out of 5, and we'll see how the rest are.
So we just made the sweet and spicy shrimp tacos. On the picture, it looks like really full, but in person, it doesn't really look that full. A few videos ago, you learned that I don't really like shrimp. Well, this dish has shrimp in it. I'm gonna still try it, but just be prepared to say to hear that I don't like the shrimp. So it's spicy. The level of spice is spicy. The difficulty level says it's easy. Took about 15 to 20 minutes.
Was it easy to you? What was not so fun?
The shrimp wasn't as fun because I do not like when things are in the pan and they are popping. So I'm guessing Mother will be trying it for me today.
Take off some of the extra. It's got all this extra portion.
Mother will be telling you about this.
There's nothing bad about it. They're just very empty. Kind of plain. I mean, it has the potential for greatness, and I'm looking at all of this and there should be a ton of flavor. I can taste the lime in the coleslaw, but really the shrimp don't have any flavor. Here, try. That's got like a little bitty spark now.
I guess I will.
It's not bad if you have a whole bite. It's actually pretty good if you have a whole bite of everything. The flavor's good. It's just they're very empty. It's not really a lot to fill them up. So maybe if you stuffed all of it into 2 tacos instead of 3, you'd be better off. But not bad. So what do you think about the rice now?
I think it's good, but I liked it because I got shrimp tacos with it too.
We just made the bacon and cheddar jack beef meatloaf. On the picture, it doesn't have macaroni. We had some leftover macaroni, so we added it to it. I kind of burnt the green beans because I never really handled green beans, really. I've only ever made them in the oven, so. Their meatloaf is cut. I didn't want to cut it because I don't like falling apart. But let's just try it because who doesn't like to try food? And I have my salt and pepper here because we always need it. We'll do the green vines. The green beans are really, 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 really good. I don't think there's really anything to change about it. After I finish chewing this, I'm going to try the meatloaf, and then I'll tell you how my mother's amazing macaroni is.
You really like that?
Yeah. That just blew me away. There's nothing to change about it. Nothing. Keep it how it is. The recipe had me add cheese and bacon to it when I was cooking it in the oven. I can't really taste the bacon. I think it's just to give it more flavor or something. But the barbecue sauce really gave it something. One of the best meatloafs I've ever tasted. But Mom's is really good too.
Is it better than mine?
I haven't had yours in a while, so I don't know.
Oh, okay.
We need to have it like on Sunday,
Okay.
which is tomorrow. Next time to hear how my mom's amazing macaroni is, which I already have, but I love it. And these aren't regular macaroni. This is not regular macaroni. It's not from a box. Well, maybe it is. I don't know. It's not from one of the containers you just put in the microwave and cook. This is a keeper. So we'll see you in